Hello guys, welcome to Ashley Lancelot Show. One subscriber asked me how do you pack anime figurines or collectibles. So, you know, if you have boxes like this, the heavy one in the bottom, lighter ones on top, make it like, you know, Tetris, nice and snug, but not too tight. But if you're anal about, you know, you got your boxes to be destroyed, you can use bubble wrap, and if you really want to be secure, get those construction papers and you put a folder around it, then put bubble wrap around it, and put peanuts in between so they won't get crushed. For the figurines like these, this is why I don't really care much about. And you see these little stuff that can bend and break. I would get a cardboard box, cut it up, fold it, put it around it, then put bubble wrap, and then then wrap it around and tape it. But other than that, that's the only thing I have. But do not put this like, you know, oh, this fits right here, and snug it in. That's how you're going to destroy the box and the figurine. So you're going to put it on top, stack it up nice and neat. Make sure to have enough breathing room, because once you're moving, they're going to move back and forth. You might want to use peanuts as a absorbents and so forth as well. But do not, after you're done packing it up, do not put this on the bottom of anything. Put this on top of totes, because if you put more weight on the top of it, it's going to crush the box and destroy your valuables. So these are my tips. Let me know what you guys think, and leave a comment, subscribe, and let me know what else you guys want me to do as well. And here's a tofu. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you all later. That's it.
Come on, Taco. I'm gonna go home.